Good morning, students. Welcome to my online science class. I hope you have understood the previous class very clearly. Have you all written the homework? Yes, very good. It is my kind advice, students. You must learn the lessons regularly. If you learn properly, it will be very useful after the school reopen. It is a very good opportunity to learn your lessons thoroughly. So, please make use of this time and learn well. Today we are going to see about polyesters, acrylic fibers, one small activity, advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Polyesters are made from petroleum products. Terylene, Decron and terene are examples of polyester fibers. Fabrics are sold in the market by names such as polycot. Polycot means polyester plus cotton, and polywool. Polywool means polyester and wool. PET means polyethylene terephthalate, is a very familiar form of polyester. Polyester, it is a synthetic fiber in which the polymer units are linked by ester. It is a thermoplastic polymer terylene. It is a very popular synthetic fiber. Properties of polyester. These fibers are strong but soft fibers. These fibers are wrinkle resistant, easy to wash and dry. Polyester is very durable and not attacked by moths and ordinary chemicals. Uses of polyester fibers. Polyester is used for making textile fabrics like saris and curtains. It is obtained with cotton and called terrycot, which is used for making shirts, trousers and other dresses. It is blended with wool and called terry wool and used for making shoots. Polyesters are used for making sailboats. Polyesters used for making water hoses for firefighting operations. Polyesters used for making conveyor belts. PET stands for polyethylene terephthalate. It is a plastic form of polyester. Properties of PET. Lightweight, colorless with high transparency. It is strong and impact resistant. Uses of PET. It is used for making water bottles, jars and utensils for storing sugar, salt, rice, spices. PET is used for making films. Acrylic. It is a synthetic fiber made from acrylonitrile by the process of polymerization. Properties of acrylic. It is lightweight, soft and warm with wool-like feel. It can be dyed in various colors. It is cheaper than natural wool. It requires less maintenance. Uses of acrylic. It is used to make sweaters, shawl and blanket, sockets, sportswear and socks. General characteristics of synthetic fibers. They are very strong. They are very durable. They are absorb little water. They are wrinkle resistant. They are lightweight. They are not attacked by moths. They do not shrink. They are cheaper and readily available. They are easy to maintain. They help in conservation of forest. As they prepared from petrochemicals, they have all these good qualities but some disadvantages too. Disadvantages of synthetic fibers. They melt on heating. If a person is wearing cloth which is made of synthetic fiber and the cloth catches fire accidentally, it melts and sticks to the body, causes severe burns. The cloths made of synthetic fibers are not comfortable during summer as they do not absorb the sweat. Some points are left out in the previous video. I am going to explain it. Listen carefully. Advantages of synthetic fibers. These fibers have a high luster and they do not turn yellow with age. Luster means shiny. They do not lose their shiny appearance if we use them for a long time. They are easy to clean and dry quickly. They do not shrink on washing. They need very little or no ironing. That means we no need to iron this. They last longer as compared to natural fiber. That means they do not worn out quickly like natural fibers. They are less expensive as compared to natural fibers. Disadvantages of synthetic fibers. They easily melt and burn to form small sticky beads at a very high temperature. Therefore, there is always a risk of getting burns, especially in kitchen. So, we should wear cotton dresses while cooking. They cannot absorb sweat. Therefore, cloths made from synthetic fibers are very uncomfortable in summer or rainy season. As we are living in hot climate, we need to wear cotton clothes all the times. They get electrically charged in dry weather. This electric charge causes skin problems in some persons. So, while playing also, you should wear cotton clothes. Otherwise, you will get skin problems. They are non-biodegradable and hence cause pollution. Like plastics, this will also not decayed by the microorganisms and pollute the environment. So, we avoid to use synthetic fibers. Now, we are going to discuss activity 2. In this activity, we are going to determine effect of flame on different kinds of fibers. For that, we need to take the following materials. 2-inch long fibers of different kind like cotton, rayon, wool, silk, nylon, polyester and acrylic. A sprit lamp, fire tongs, a plate china clay or glass. For doing this, light the sprit lamp first and place it on the table. Next to it, place a plate of china clay or glass. Hold the cotton fiber with the tongs over the flame till it catches fire. Shift the burning fiber over china clay plate. This china clay plate is used for collecting the residue. Drop this small burning fiber in the china plate. In the previous video, in the disadvantages of synthetic fiber, they are showing the burning of synthetic fiber in fire. Once again you watch it you can understand clearly. Repeat this activity with the fibers of different materials. Observe it and write the observation as given below in the table. In that, we have to enter the result then and there. One example has been done for you. Cotton. Type of flame. Burns vigorously, producing a large flame. Smell. The smell of burning fiber is like that of burning paper. Residue. Very little ash or residue is formed. When we do this test for all the fibers we are getting the following results. When you burn wool and silk, it burns slowly with the smell of burning feather or hair. No bead formation. When you burn rayon, it burns readily with the smell of burning paper. When you burn nylon, it burns slowly. Fabric shrinks from flame, forms a bead. When you burn polyester fiber it burns slowly, forms a bead. When you burn acrylon fiber in fire it shrinks from flame, forms a black bead and a shooty flame. Today's homework. Learn and write the following. Write the properties and uses of polyester PET, acrylic. Write the general characteristics of synthetic fibers. Advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Learn these questions thoroughly, recite to your parents, and write all the homeworks in a separate science homework notebook as usual. Before writing the homework, write the date and tell your parents to correct and put stars also. After the school reopen, I'll check and give some gifts for appreciating your fullest cooperation. Thank you, students.